thanks for watching and joining back here at the channel. This here is a 2022 F150 Lightning. My brother just picked up a couple weeks ago, and I thought it'd be fun to do a comparison next to the 2004 H1 Hummer for size comparison. You can see the F150 is definitely taller by at least 2 inches, maybe 2.5. And if you look at the Hummer from the side versus this beast, or really any modern truck, you can see it's longer. The Hummer is definitely shorter front to back. Let's take a look at the width. I wonder which one is wider. We might have to get a tape measure out. So there's the F-150. And there's the H1. What do you think in the comments? Tell me in the comments below which one is wider. I'm gonna take a tape measure to them here in a second. Super modern technology. Old clunky, feels like driving a U-Haul. Super fast, does all kinds of cool stuff. Super unreliable, brakes at every turn, but god dang it, it's fun to drive this thing. Look, don't you love all the fancy lines, the artistic curves? We got Knight Rider over here with the cool lights in the back. But look how much taller that F-150 is. And this is stock, no lifts, no weird tires. This is stock. Factory 37-inch tires, factory height. Oh, power tailgate. You know what I got? I got a 2-button remote that sometimes works if you're close enough. I do love this Lightning though. Hi, Aiden. This thing is so nice. Check this out. It's got power outlets here in the back. You can plug in pretty much any kind of tool you got. You got your 110s, your 220 volt. You got lights here. Ooh, it turns off so slowly. That's fancy. You've got nice measuring tape on your tailgate. Power tailgate with the button. You got tons of storage up here. Even more storage down here. Looks like it's got a 400-pound capacity. More outlets up here. That is pretty nice. Let's see the inside here. Wow, this is really nice. These seats are really comfy looking. You got tons of storage here. Oh, you got that desk thing. This pops forward and your shifter goes down. You got a full desk there. You got the big screen. Another screen over there. I really like this interior. He keeps telling me I need to buy one of these and stop messing with old clunkers. And I think he might be right. This is really nice. I like it a lot better than the Silverado interior. I love GMs, diehard GM fan, but this is super nice. But you know one thing's for sure, ground clearance, look at that. Could have a party under there. And in typical truck fashion, what is that, 7-8 inches? I mean, actually it's not terrible. I do love this truck though. I might be tempted to go look at some other electric trucks. This thing's pretty nice. I wouldn't want to own one on a road trip and have to stop for charges, but to drive around town as a daily, this thing's really nice. Yep. It is nice. Well, there you go. F-150 Lightning electric truck versus the 04 Hummer H1. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.